there really aren't a lot of new innovations per se that we're seeing. What we are seeing is an evolution of existing products, whether it's container management or compressor or controller development. We are taking all of those tools, combining them to provide the capability for our customers to improve their operations. So whether it's asset handling or exceptions handling from a container perspective, we're using existing and new technologies to drive those solutions. So the changes in the industry this year are quite dramatic, with a 40 to 50% drop in container purchases for the year, and obviously the shipping industry's economic issues are concerning to all of us. We're managing our business in an appropriate fashion to be prepared to adopt for new technology for our customers. But what we see is an increasing demand from our customers in terms of helping them reduce their operational expenses. And so our effort, our mission now is to help use our deep refrigeration knowledge of components, of the systems, and integrate that into solutions, taking algorithms and analytics and combining those to provide different types of applications to, again, address improving their cost, improving their operational efficiency. Globally at Emerson, we use our various product and services platforms as derivatives to drive different products and services. We have a very extensive air conditioning, heating, and ventilation business that frankly has been the platform of our scroll compressor development for the marine industry. Over 120 million scrolls have been produced. All of that knowledge and information and technology has gone into helping to develop this refrigeration scroll for marine. Likewise in the electronics, and with over 5 million electronic applications, either in store or system controllers, in site controllers or discrete controls. We've been able to take that knowledge, that technology, and adapt it for the products that we serve the marine industry for today. So interestingly enough, we don't see that there's really a move towards automation in this space that we've served. Our customers have used either terminal or ship monitoring capability for some time in an automated basis. Many years ago, customers came and said, I've got an issue tracking containers. How can you help me? And we automated it for them. So at Emerson, we've worked hard to try to find ways, again, to improve labor efficiencies and improve the operational efficiencies. At Emerson, we spend an incredible amount of energy and resources on this topic. We are heavily involved globally in various regions of the world to talk with the regulatory agencies and help them guide their standards in many ways so that they are achievable for the industry, but also make the lasting impact that the particular regulatory agency or a country or a region is looking for. Being a global organization, we believe in being regionally focused, and so we have people who in China, in the United States, within the EU community, who are involved in the regulatory agents, who are with the committees, who are charged with helping find the right levels of regulations to put into play. As it relates to the innovation that at Emerson we try to help create, we have spent in the last year over $50 million in investments in our Aachen, Germany headquarters and also in the United States, developing very unique innovation centers designed not at developing new components, but to try and understand how the systems work within their environment, whether it's an air conditioning and heating application to a home, whether it's a food service application for a kitchen or a supermarket, or within the marine transport space, managing a container product. We have an extensive, long history with hardware development, software development and systems integration, taking our components and our services to enhance the products that our customers use every day, including, for example, our ProAct Transport product and a suite of services, which we have now had out for a few years, and giving our customers the ability to have an exception handling of their containers, or to be able to track their products on a ship, in a terminal, on land, providing very valuable data and the associated analytics to that data to the operations headquarters. That information allows that customer to manage his business more effectively. In addition to that, as we look across the broad spectrum of our businesses, air conditioning in the transport space, food service, or for retail, we continue to make significant investments to enhance our product offering to allow end-to-end communications and transfer of information and data to help that customer improve his operations. For example, we've just recently concluded 2 acquisitions in the cargo monitoring space. We have just recently concluded a joint venture and an acquisition in the commercial AC, air quality, and maintenance space. These acquisitions are intended to help us develop additional products and services to, again, help our customers improve not only how food products are protected and safely moved, but also enhancing human comfort.